Salutation to all. अभिवादन सबैलाई. Salutation all. All means Brahma. Brahma means God. ब्रह्म भनेको सबै, सबै भनेको ब्रह्म. ब्रह्म भनेको परमात्मा, परमात्मा भनेको ब्रह्म. ब्रह्म भनेको शिव, शिव भनेको ब्रह्म. वेदान्तले शिव र ब्रह्मलाई एउटै बताएको छ. So, salutation to all means salutation to Brahma. Brahma means always a truth, greatest truth. उत्कृष्ट सत्य हो ब्रह्म, सर्वोत्कृष्ट सत्य हो ब्रह्म. यसैले सबैको स्वरूप हो ब्रह्म. So our actual nature is Brahma. Our actual nature, हाम्रो यथार्थ स्वभाव ब्रह्म नै हो. So it is better to call all God and Goddess, Devata, Devi. God and Goddess, Devata and Devi. However we are in the world, the human being, however we are in the world, it is better to address as a God and a Goddess, as a God and a Goddess. देवी देवता रूपले सम्बोधन गर्नु सान्दर्भिक हो संसारका सबैलाई. संसारका मानव सबैलाई सम्बोधन गर्नु ज्यादा राम्रो हो देवी देवताको शब्दबाट. Addressing to all God and Goddess, it is more suitable, favorable to address all, that is God and Goddess, because there is only one, that is Brahma. ब्रह्म मात्रै भएको हुनाले यस प्रकारका शब्दहरू प्रयोग गर्नु ज्यादा राम्रो हुन्छ. यथार्थमा ब्रह्म मात्रै सत्य हो. ब्रह्म बाहेक वास्तवमा केही पनि छैन. एक्सेप्ट ब्रह्म, नो अदर. एक्सेप्ट ब्रह्म, नथिङ. ब्रह्म बाहेक वास्तवमा केही पनि छैन. What we feel about the world or the body, that is only confusion. Confusion. But there is no confusion when we say about the God. We have no any confusion to describe about the God, Goddess. संसार शरीर वास्तवमा भ्रम हो, confusion हो. Only confusion, because someone had yesterday, but now, but today he is not. Why so? हिजो जो हुनुहुन्थ्यो एकजना, त्यो आज हुनुहुन्न. It means confusion, भ्रम. So no confusion in the God. परमात्मामा कुनै कन्फ्युजन छैन, ब्रह्ममा कुनै कन्फ्युजन छैन. Because yesterday also was Brahma, today also is Brahma, tomorrow also will be Brahma. Every time Brahma. Past Brahma, in present Brahma, in future Brahma. No confusion there. So, from the point of Brahma, we are belong to Brahma. ब्रह्मसँग नै हाम्रो सम्बन्ध छ. ब्रह्मसँग नै हाम्रो डाइरेक्ट सम्बन्ध छ. डाइरेक्ट connection with the Brahma. Ours, हाम्रो सम्बन्ध ब्रह्मसँग मात्रै छ. In fact, there is no confusion. त्यहाँ कुनै भ्रम छैन. There is no confusion about the description of Brahma, about the God and Goddess. देवी देवता भन्नुमा कुनै confusion छैन. So, from the point of Brahma, we are immortal. There is no death. यस कारणले ब्रह्मको दृष्टिकोणले हामी सबै अमर हौं. According Brahma, according देवी देवता, according God Goddess, we are immortal. We have no death, so we have not to face death. यस कारणले मृत्युलाई हामीले सामना गर्नु पर्दैन. Because there is no death in Brahma. ब्रह्ममा कुनै मृत्यु छैन. मृत्यु छ शरीरमा. The death is only upon bodies. But bodies are confusion, because the body yesterday was, but today not. What is this? This is only confusion. Our bodies are now, but tomorrow our bodies will not be. What is this? This is only confusion. This is from Maya. This is from Maya. Maya means ignorance. Ignorance means Maya. Maya means ignorance. The meaning of Maya is ignorance. The meaning of ignorance is Maya. From Maya has come bodies. From Maya has come world. The nature of world, that is coming, going, ending. Transmigration. The nature of the world is transmigration. पुनर्जन्म. जन्मो मरो, फिर जन्मो फिर मरो. जन्मो मरो. This is the history of the world. This is the confusion history of the world. जन्मो मरो, मरो जन्म लो, फिर मरो, फिर जन्म लो. Transmigration, पुनर्जन्म. The nature of the world is transmigration. पुनर्जन्म है संसार का स्वभाव. So, there is no confusion in Brahma. From that point of view, we are God or Goddess. We are God or Goddess from Brahma point of view. From the point of God, because Brahma and God same, no different. So everywhere, every time, always only Brahma. So we belong to Brahma. ब्रह्मसँग हाम्रो डाइरेक्ट सम्बन्ध छ, डाइरेक्ट कनेक्सन विथ ब्रह्म आवर्स, हाम्रो सम्बन्ध सिधै ब्रह्मसँग छ। व्हिच इज इभर, व्हिच इज फर इभर, हरदम के लिए, हरदम के लिए केवल ब्रह्म है। शरीर संसार हरदम के लिए नहीं है। शरीर संसार आज है, कल नहीं रहेगा। अगर कल तक रहेगा तो परसों तक नहीं रहेगा। मीन्स इन फ्यूचर विल नॉट स्टे। आजसम्म हो शरीर संसार अथवा भोलिसम्म हो शरीर संसार अथवा केही समयसम्मलाई होस् शरीर संसार, त्यो शरीर संसार हो ओन्ली कन्फ्युजन, भ्रान्ति। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, let us have example. As for example, that is a rope and snake. Rope, R-O-P, rope means rosary, dory, and snake, N-A-K, snake, sharp. The meaning of snake is sharp, serp. The meaning of snake, that is confusion, in the example of a rope and snake, because rope is truth. Rope is always truth. डोरी सधैँ सत्य हो, but the ignorance of a rope comes snake. Snake is confusion, but in example rope there is no confusion, because in example rope is fact, true, but the snake, if we don't know about a rope, then arises snake. But the study of snake, that is confusion. Like that, the world, the body, the study of world, transmigration world or body, which does not stay always, that is the study of confusion. So we should be clear from confusion. For that we should follow God, because we belong to God. We should follow, in example, a rope, not a snake. Like that we should follow God, not confusion world and the bodies, which does not stay for long, forever, for immortal. So we are immortal because we are actually God and Goddess. This is the best lesson of today. आजको दिन हाम्रो लागि राम्रो उपदेश यही हो। आज मतलब 2081 विक्रम सम्वत 2081 साल श्रावण महिनाको 26 गते शनिबार, इन इंग्लिश डेट 2024 the name of the month, that is August. August today 10, and the name of the day, that is Saturday. According Hinduism, Tithijam, श्रावण शुक्ल पक्ष, आज षष्ठी तिथि शनिश्चरवार, ये हम लोग कह रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं फ्रॉम बलराम जीसी, टाइटल्स अद्वैत प्रदीप सरस्वती, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अखंड सुख केंद्र फ्रॉम नेपाल कंट्री, फ्रॉम नेपाल भैरवा सिटी, and we are listening, telling through radio medias from Rupandai FM 102 megahertz from Bhairava, from Nolparasi, West Nolparasi, Radio Parasi, from Radio Parasi, 90.2 megahertz. From that megahertz, from Palpa Tansen, Srinagar FM from 92.2 megahertz, from Butol Bukti FM megahertz 95.5. We are listening and telling about our actual nature, that is Brahma, in English God. So we are in the world either a god or goddess. देवी देवता मात्र इस संसार में हुनुहुन्छ। अभी इतना ही करें। हरिओम तस्वीर।